Hey guys, today we are trying to sample some hot chips. The first one we have a Lay's Flaming Hot and Cheeto Flaming Hot, and this is the one which I like the most, the Cheeto Extra Flaming Hot. Ooh, wow! Look at these chips. We also have a Cheeto Fries Flaming Hot. These are all Flaming Hot. So here's my children's. Hey Sarah. Hanan, Suleiman. They're gonna try these chips. So, any volunteer?
Me.
Alright, so try the Lay's Flaming Hot
try
first.
all of them.
Sarah, you wanna try Flaming Hot too?
It's kind of spicy, but it tastes very good. It
Suleiman,
is spicy.
you wanna try Flaming Hot?
I like it.
Alright, the next one is we're gonna try the Cheeto Flaming Hot. So, here you go. Cheeto Flaming Hot. Sit down, okay? Everybody, just sit down.
It's not that spicy. Yeah,
Not
it's
spicy? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's a popcorn Cheeto Flaming Hot popcorns. So after trying everything, we're gonna have we need a vote from you. All right. So the
Fries?
second last is
Chester fries.
Chester fries, the Flaming Hot. All right. Now the last one is called Extra Flaming Hot. I want you to grab not just a one stick.
Two, three.
All right, three.
Three.
Go ahead.
All right.
All right. Now I need a vote from you.
Which one you like the best?
So, which one is the best one? Like,
I like all of them. Yeah, I like all of them. They're so good.
I like these two the best. This one and this one. And then, yeah.
I like.
and Solomon.
I like that one because it has a scent of barbecue and then a regular potato chip and a little bit spice.
I like all of them.
All right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this snack hack video.